Hi, my name's Matt. I run a plumbing and gas fitting company called OPG Services in Brisbane. The reason why I came over to Tradie Web Guys was because I tried 2 different digital marketing companies before coming over. Both the digital marketing companies that I tried beforehand, I received practically 0 results from them running my Google ads. They just couldn't get me any level of work, especially not enough to keep me busy or profitable. So I was in a boat where I didn't know what to do, whether to close up shop because I wasn't getting enough work and revenue wasn't coming through the door. I tried Tradie Web Guys because I did hear through word of mouth that they were really good. I gave Tradie Web Guys a shot, and from day one, I've received really good results from them. I have been working with Tradie Web Guys for about 3 months now. They've managed to 4x my revenue with really healthy net profits. We're in a position where I can't keep up with the work anymore. They're just providing us with so much new work, and we're now actually looking at hiring our first tradesman to come over, thanks to Tradie Web Guys. Hiring Tradie Web Guys has been more than just hiring another marketing agency to run my marketing side of the business. They understand more about the trade business and what's going on because they've had that experience. Because of that, each time I sit down and have a meeting with them, they want to know what my goals are and they help me work towards achieving them. So my first goal was to put on a tradesman, and they've worked towards how we're going to do that with a roadmap. And now we're actually at that stage where I have enough work that I can hire my next staff member. With having Tradie Web Guys, it's like having essentially a business coach in the back of your pocket. You can ask them questions of how to deal with this certain situation. Because they had some of that experience, they're very useful in that.